Hey guys, yesterday let's get this bigger so we can see it better. Okay, yesterday we learned about how to calculate the profit of something. Okay, we wrote a definition for each little part of our equation that if you take your income minus your expenses, then that will give you the profit. Remember, income, I'm going to write this little note above here. This is going to be all the money. Okay, remember all the money that you make from selling something. Your expenses, this is going to be the money you have to pay for all the supplies to make whatever you're making. And then when you subtract these two, that's going to equal your profit. Okay, that will equal your profit. So I'm going to walk through a couple of these with you. And you're going to pretend like that you own a cookie shop. Okay, these are going to be right here, the number of packages of cookies that you sell every week. And these are the cost of each package. So to figure this out first, you're going to have to go back to 3rd grade and kind of remember about multiplication. And you're going to have to multiply these to get your income. Because if you sell 33 and each package is $3, you're going to have to do 33 times 3. Now, when you're multiplying 33 times 3, you can do this on scratch paper so yours isn't as messy. Remember, you're going to multiply your ones place times your ones place first, so 3 times 3 equals 9. And then you do your ones place times your tens place, so 3 times 3 again is 9. So, the income was $99. All right, that's how much they made in week 1. But then they had to buy $90, their expenses, $90 for flour to make their cookies. So now I have to take 99 minus 90 and subtract them. And all I end up with, their profit, oh, that's sad, it was just $9. So far, the total profit is $9. So then we'll go to week 2, and we're going to do the same thing. This is the last one I'm doing with you, and you're going to do the rest by yourself. Then you sold 35 packages of cookies for $3. So I have to do 35 times 3. Okay, so 3 times 5, remember 15, I bring my 1 up top. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Ooh, you made a little bit more money. Okay, your income was $105, but you had to spend $84 on chocolate because I guess a lot of people wanted chocolate chip cookies. So now you need to take these and subtract them. So 105 minus 84. 5 minus 4 is 1. All right. Now, I'm just going to do the whole 10 right here minus 8. I mean, you can come over here and borrow, make that 0, but it's still going to be 10. So 10 take away 8, that's 2. Oh, look, you had a little bit more profit this week. So now what I want you to do, if we are going to find the total profit, you need to add 9 plus 21. And 9 plus 21 gives you 30. So now you have $30 total profit. Getting better. All right, so you're going to keep going. And I want to know at the end of week 8, what will be your total profit that you're going to make. Okay, so you're going to go down the list. You can even do all your multiplication first if you wanted. And you're going to multiply all of these, okay, to get your income. That will give you the income. Then, after you get your income, you're going to subtract your expenses from all of your income. That will give you your profit. Okay? After you get your profit, you're going to add to get your total profit in this last column. All right, guys.